Finance Act 2025, Section 65, implements significant changes to tobacco duty rates across all product categories, effective from 6 p.m. on 30th of October 2024. These adjustments follow the established duty escalator formula of RPI plus 2% for most tobacco products, with a notable exception for hand-rolling tobacco, which received a substantially higher increase of RPI plus 12%. The updated duty structure for cigarettes maintains the dual calculation approach, where duty is charged at either 16.5% of retail price plus £334.58 per thousand cigarettes, up from £316.70, or at the minimum excise tax (MET) rate of £446.67 per thousand cigarettes, increased from £422.80, whichever produces the higher duty amount. This MET mechanism ensures a baseline duty level applies regardless of retail pricing strategies. Other tobacco categories saw proportional increases. Cigars now attract duty of £417.33 per kilogram, up from £395.03. Other smoking and chewing tobacco rises to £183.49 per kilogram from £173.68, and tobacco for heating products increases to £343.91 per kilogram from £325.53. The legislation also updates the Traveller's Allowances Order 1994, reflecting post-Brexit requirements, while maintaining simplified duty calculations for travellers bringing tobacco products into Great Britain above their duty-free allowances.